Hello, today we are going to learn about how to duplicate an object in a circular manner. Easy, clean and chop chop. Let's go. Go to the top menu, select the object, grab, move with the Y direction. First thing you need to do is change the pivot point. So right click on the object, go to set origin and click on origin to 3D cursor. This will move here. The origin point will move in the center. Now again you need to just duplicate the object. So shift plus D, go to R, rotate, okay, and then you can come here down, open this, just say minus 60, alright, and again just press shift plus R to duplicate. Simple, easy and chop chop. I hope you guys have learned something quick, fast. Goodbye. Thank you.